In this video, you'll learn how to swap Ethereum to Solana using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange your ETH for Sol within the wallet interface. Start by opening the Phantom wallet application on your device. Ensure you are logged in and that your wallet is fully synchronized. Once the main interface appears, you can begin the swapping process. Next, locate and tap the swap button. This option is typically found on the main dashboard of the wallet. After you tap swap, the interface will transition to the swap screen where you can choose the cryptocurrencies for the exchange. In the UPay section, select TFE, which stands for Ethereum. This action will prompt the wallet to recognize that you intend to swap Ethereum. After making this selection, you will see the available balance of ETH displayed. Now, move to the You Receive section and select Sol Wall, representing Solana. This selection indicates that you want to receive Solana in exchange for your Ethereum. The interface will automatically update to show the current exchange rate between ETH and Sol. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to swap. Be mindful of the current market rates and your available balance. If you are unsure about the amount, it is advisable to check your wallet balance and ensure you have sufficient ETH for the swap. Considering transaction fees, after entering the amount, tap the review button. The app will display the details of your transaction, including the amount of ETH you will pay and the amount of SOL you will receive. It is essential to review this information carefully before proceeding. Confirm the swap by tapping the confirm button. Once you do this, Phantom will automatically initiate the bridging process, converting your Ethereum to Solana. This process may take a few moments and you will see a loading indicator while the transaction is being processed. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive a confirmation message and your SOL balance will update accordingly. If you experience any delays, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as this can affect the time it takes for the swap to finalize.